How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to walk you through a SPY trade that I called out inside my channel in Team Bull, walk people through my trim. I'm going to talk about a Walmart scalp, ticker WMT, that we had off the open, kind of give you my thought process while entering these trades and managing my trade. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now let's take a look at SPY. I signaled inside Grizzly Trades, inside Team Bull. That's a trading community I'm a part of, where I call my trades out live in my channel and on voice. My first entry on this trade was at 390.6 for call options, and I announced I said I'm going to add more calls at 390.5. It pulled down. I got a very nice fill. We took this nice bounce up. We trimmed roughly around 391. Contracts moved very nicely, and my last sale was at 391.5. My first trim was at the 9 EMA, this white indicator. The next one was at the 20 SMA, 20 EMA area. Worked out perfectly. Honestly, I didn't expect much continuation after that. As you can see here, it did continue. We did leave a little bit on the table. I probably shouldn't have sold my entire position, but this trade happened a little later in the day. I hit my daily goal. I was happy with my profits. So I'm going to take my gains and my confidence into tomorrow, which is FOMC meeting for those of you that are not inside Team Bull. It's a big meeting. We have a strategy we use to trade it. So be sure to catch that with us. Not a whole lot to see here on this Walmart scalp we took. I do still have some runners in this. I'm holding. I'll probably close them out around power hour, which is the last hour of market open. Let me zoom in here. As you can see, we had a nice sell-off yesterday after close due to bad news. We got in this trade right here in this area. Had nice volume. I expected a bounce. Had a nice little bounce. Had, the options moved decently. Had a nice scalp there. My stop loss was right below this 120 level. I expect a bigger move up. I don't know if it'll be today or if it'll be when we pull back to this 118 support, pick up, some orders there, then we'll continue on up. I feel that Walmart's a strong, solid stock, and I do think we see some upside before too long. I called out 2 different trades on Snap today. Snapchat, ticker SNAP. We sold cash secured puts, one of my favorite ways to make money in the stock market. If you're not familiar with that, you can simply Google it, watch some YouTube videos on it. Plan on making some of my own in the near future. So we sold, I think August 19th expiration, we sold some 9.5 puts, and we got roughly $63 per put that we sold. Then also I bought some call options, 10 calls, same expiration. I do expect a little upside in Snap. The contracts were cheap. They should move nicely. Stop loss is roughly 50% to give it room to move. We are at a nice support area. Had a nice sell-off due to some news. Earnings, I believe it was. Yes, earnings. Had a nice sell-off. We're back in this supply zone. We'll see how it plays out. The risk to reward was there. I feel confident with it, but if it falls apart, we already have a plan. We know where we're going to stop out. And that's what trading's all about, proper risk management. If you have any questions about any of this, feel free to reach out to me. Would love to have every one of you come trade live with me inside Team Bull. But that's it for this video. I got a real special video coming this weekend, so keep an eye open. But I appreciate you all for watching, and I'll catch you next time.